Hi, at ReasonLabs, we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to change the protection settings on your online security extension for Chrome and Edge browsers. As you can see, the online security extension is installed on your browser, ensuring that your web browsing experience stays secure by actively detecting threats and monitoring your information for data leaks. Clicking on the extension icon will open the main screen of the online security extension. By the way, we recommend you to pin it so you can see your status at any time. To do it, just click on the pin icon. To change the protection settings on your online security extension, select Protection Settings on the menu bar on the left side of the page. On the Protection Setting page, you can manage when scheduled scans will run on your browser. You can choose between Smart Scan Time, which we recommend as we choose the best time to scan your browser on a weekly basis, minimizing interference with your work, or to choose a custom scan time, or choose Never. If you like that online security won't run scheduled scans, on this page, you can also manage which features you want to enable in real-time protection. Not just during scans, we recommend to keep the features Suspicious Domain Blocking and Harmful Extensions Detection checked on. If you have any issues during this process, please contact our support agents by clicking on the support widget, and they will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and stay cyber safe.